Hi there, my name is Marek. I'm a cartoonist and a graphic novelist, and I do comics workshop, all ages arts education. I've been making comics since before I could read or write. I love how comics give us ways to combine characters and actions and setting and text in infinitely creative ways to share stories with our friends and our families and our classmates and our communities. I've been working for years on this graphic novel series, The Civil War Diary of Freeman Colby. It's epic stick figure history drawn entirely from the diaries and letters and sketchbooks of people who were there, eyewitnesses to history. I also visit schools and libraries to show artists of all ages how everybody can make comics. All you need is a paper and a pencil and some space and time for your imagination to work hard and have fun. You can find my program info at marekbennett.com. Schools and libraries go to comics workshops set up. Artists and teachers and families, you can join me at the Patreon for new work, printables, videos, and more. Thanks, everybody. I look forward to hearing from you and to drawing with you soon.